There we go. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. All right. Oh. Another episode of Uncharted Odyssey. Here we go. Today we're going out to dive out in Conception Harbour. There's 3 wrecks out there. We've got the SS SCUBA, the SS Shirot, and the SS Southern Foam. These wrecks are right close to shore. It's supposed to be a pretty cool dive. I'm pretty excited. I've never been to this site before, so I'm pumped. It's looking like a beautiful day here in Newfoundland. We had some freezing rain yesterday, so everything's going to be nice and frosty. Really looking forward to coming up from that dive and seeing all the snow. It's always a really surreal feeling to be out diving and then to come up and just see this winter wonderland. Shipwrecks have a habit of holding their secrets. And we'd found this box just hidden in the rubble. And when we opened it up, we found this list of names of divers that came before us. It just all hit me in the moment and really made me realize how few people explore these places and see these things that we're seeing. It's our own little secret world. Diving out here is not easy. It's hard. But with experiences like that, yeah,